It's surprisingly easy for photographers to drift into a cycle that feels productive on the surface, but slowly disconnects them from the very reason they picked up a camera in the first place. It often begins with a simple intention: make the right choice. You start watching reviews, comparing features, reading discussions, and trying to understand every technical detail. At first, it feels like progress. You're learning, refining your preferences, getting closer to a decision. But then the process stretches on. Each answer leads to another question. Each comparison introduces a new doubt. What started as careful research becomes a loop, and before you realize it, days turn into weeks and weeks into months. All that time, the camera you already have remains unused, and the moments you once wanted to capture quietly pass by. This situation feels almost ironic when you think about the philosophy behind Leica. The brand was never about complexity or endless choice. From its earliest days, Leica focused on simplicity and directness. Cameras were designed to be compact, intuitive, and unobtrusive, allowing photographers to move naturally through the world and respond to life as it happened. The photographers who built Leica's legacy didn't obsess over specifications or constantly switch systems. They committed to one tool, learned it deeply, and allowed it to become an extension of their vision. Their attention wasn't on the camera, it was on light, timing, and storytelling. Modern photography culture, however, has shifted that relationship. With constant product launches and an endless stream of online content, it's easy to believe that better gear leads to better results. Every new camera promises more resolution, faster autofocus, improved video capabilities. While these advancements are real, they also create a quiet pressure to keep upgrading. You begin to feel like your current setup might be holding you back. Instead of feeling inspired, you feel uncertain. Photography becomes less about capturing moments and more about solving a technical puzzle where the perfect answer always seems just out of reach. This is exactly where the Leica Q3 changes the conversation. On paper, it might seem limiting because it uses a fixed lens. In a world where flexibility is often defined by how many lenses you can carry, that can feel restrictive at first. But in practice, it does something far more interesting. It removes the constant decision-making that comes with switching focal lengths and replaces it with consistency. Instead of thinking about gear, you begin to think about position, movement, and perspective. You stop adjusting your equipment and start adjusting yourself. At the center of the Q3 is a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers an extraordinary level of detail. This changes how you approach composition. With such high resolution, you're not locked into a single framing. You can shoot wider and refine your composition later through cropping without sacrificing image quality. Leica's triple resolution system gives you the option to shoot at different resolutions depending on your needs, adding flexibility while keeping the experience simple. What initially feels like a limitation begins to feel like creative freedom because the complexity of managing multiple lenses disappears. The 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens plays a crucial role in shaping how the camera feels in use. It sits in a unique position, wide enough to capture context and environment while still allowing you to move close to your subject. This encourages a more immersive way of shooting. Instead of observing from a distance, you become part of the scene. The fast aperture makes it possible to work confidently in low light and create subtle separation when needed. Over time, this combination of lens and sensor starts to influence how you see. You begin to think less about equipment and more about storytelling. For many photographers, the real change happens gradually. At first, using a single focal length can feel unfamiliar. You might miss the convenience of zooming or switching lenses. But as you continue shooting, your perspective adapts. You start to recognize scenes more quickly, understanding how they will look before even lifting the camera. Composition becomes faster, more instinctive. The camera stops feeling like a device you operate and becomes something that simply responds to you. That's when photography starts to feel natural again. Despite its focus on simplicity, the Q3 is technically very capable. Its autofocus system is fast and reliable, tracking subjects with precision so you can focus on timing rather than settings. It handles movement and spontaneous moments with ease, giving you confidence in unpredictable situations. The viewfinder offers a clear and immersive experience, while the tilting screen adds flexibility for creative compositions. These features enhance the shooting experience without complicating it. Video capabilities also add another layer of versatility. With high-resolution recording options and smooth performance, the camera supports creators who want to explore both stills and motion. Yet even with all this technology, it never feels overwhelming. Everything is built into one compact body that's ready at any moment. There's no need for extra lenses or complicated setups. You simply pick it up and start shooting. This simplicity becomes especially powerful in real-world scenarios. On the street, the camera is discreet and responsive, allowing you to capture authentic moments without drawing attention. You're not distracted by changing lenses or adjusting gear. Your focus stays on people, light, and timing. Travel photography becomes more immersive because you're not carrying a heavy kit. You move freely, react quickly, and stay present in the environment. You begin to notice details that might otherwise go unnoticed. Portrait photography also takes on a different character. Shooting with a 28mm lens encourages you to get closer, creating images that include both the subject and their surroundings. This adds context and depth to the photograph, making it feel more authentic. The wide aperture still allows you to control focus and guide the viewer's attention, but without losing the sense of place. Other Leica cameras still offer unique experiences. The Leica M11 provides a traditional, hands-on approach with manual focus and a slower, more deliberate pace. The Leica SL3 delivers professional-level versatility with interchangeable lenses and advanced features. Both systems are powerful in their own ways. But for photographers who want to simplify their process and focus entirely on creating images, a single camera approach often feels more intuitive and rewarding. The biggest transformation, however, isn't technical, it's mental. When you step away from constant comparison and start shooting again, something shifts. You stop questioning your gear and start trusting your instincts. You begin to notice light, movement, and emotion more clearly. Photography becomes less about settings and more about seeing. Over time, you realize that creativity doesn't come from having more options. It comes from using one tool consistently and understanding it deeply. For many photographers, this realization changes everything. They begin to see that they never needed an endless collection of lenses or constant upgrades to create meaningful work. What they needed was clarity. A camera that removes distractions and allows them to focus entirely on the moment. When the equipment fades into the background, photography becomes effortless again. And in that moment, the focus returns to where it was always meant to be, not on the camera, but on the image itself.